So I bought these sunglasses on Temu. They are Pride of the Eye. They are high definition anti-glare UV400 polarized sunglasses, and I thought they look really cool. I will show you a video of Temu, what they look like, the order with all the information. But for now, let's unbox them quickly so that I can wear them for Shabbat. So this is the box. Really nice. It says Pride of the Eye. We take that off. Here's the instruction manual, which I will go through. And then here's the card, so you can see they're polarized. We'll do that still. And here's the case, kind of like a Ray-Ban case. Don't know if it's leather. It says Pride of the Eye, feels like leather. And here's the glasses. Do we have anything else in here? No. Okay, and let's open this quickly. Okay, careful. They're nice and light. Okay, let's open this arm. A bit tricky to do this with one hand, I must say. Okay, and then take this off. Let me just pause this. Okay, so here are the glasses. Very glossy finish, very light. And you can see the arm. It's got that sort of detail on it with a bit of red. And that's how it looks on the other side. And really, really nice. And then I just want to show you how it looks with this. So there we go. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see the difference? You can see more of the design. How do I show that? There we go. Look at that. You can see the fish to show that they really are polarized. So let's try them on. And that's how they look. Really, really cool.